we started the recording. Game 8 of 8 for my objective for today. 8 years of this Twitch account being like affiliated, and basically 8 years of me being like MIA. But hey, it is what it is. So let's see what we can get. Start with a random 3 cost champion. This again, Aurora. Someone got MF, someone got Alawi, someone got Samira. Whoever got Samira is warning. Another MF, another Alawi, an On. Rast. Okay, I mean, we kind of low rolled, but here we've recovered with this Lulu, and we've got half of one of those Lulu items, so let him cook. Wow, another Aurora, that's bait. Maybe I should have kept that guy. It's fine. We don't care about that guy. This one is good. And bang. Where am I, like... Bro. Oh, that's not too bad. Would have preferred a bout, but we'll try it those. Oh. Gain 2 XP at the start of player combat rounds. Your 5 cost champions gain 12% health in it. 12%. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get that bar. Gain a locked chest each stage between now and stage 6. Unlike when you spend 16 gold on shop rerolls, these chests persist until opened, or choose one of 4 artifacts. We can get strong now, or we can get perpetually strong as the game. Oh, Pike. Alright, treasure hunt. So, we gotta spend gold on rerolls, We've got like no direction, so this is exactly what we don't want. That's fine. Let me turn this one on. 3-6. What else is supposed to be in here? Aatrox and TF. Alright, we'll give them a gem. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We can't even sell for Econ here. We're doing like no damage. Such is the nature of these things. What can we buy? Those. So we got 8 gold on the bench. I want to know what everyone's up to. Gun Goddess, Nova, Voyager Vanguard, Bastion Nova, Conduit Vanguard, Space Groove, Primordian. Cool. That guy's actually gonna do good. What is this? Drunk Sig. Jax, actually. I mean, that's better than what we are doing. Bang bang. We can 100% sell a bunch of stuff here for stuff. Excellent. 20. Cool. Who else has got money? No one. Okay. So at some point we're going to do re-rolls, and we are going to open these chests. But for now we're just going to lost streak. We're going to just try to kill any minions. Okay, we killed no minions. Sounds about right. But we've got Stargazer up. Bastion's not too far away. We can also get Replicator. Oh, Milio is another one we need. So yeah, we just want to get to 6 ASAP, and then we can just start rolling, getting our getting these treasure chests. They better have something good in them. What does it say? I wonder what's in them, bro. Some bullshit, probably. Holy moly. Bastion for sure. God damn it. Maybe like this. Maybe we just want Aatrox to tank it. Oh, no, he kind of comes in good with some like, his like heals are just sick. Oh, we got a level 5 guy. I want that bronze augment. Okay. Alright, well, we're up on the money. I need these guys to all fight each other, man. Like, I'm trying to lost streak into, like, being the richest. We've got a good setup. Like, there's nothing high rollery going on. But we're, you know, we're on curve. Or use on a 1-cost champion to create a 1-star copy of them. Get 2 of those. I mean, this will just help me get somewhere, but I mean, these scuttle parties are just better. Getting stronger now does nothing for me. Guinzu, Bobo. Need a lot of bounce and a glove. A lot of bounce and a glove. Boom. That's why we didn't get whatever that thing was. So this guy's replicator actually, so I have been lacking, but let's do it this way. As soon as this guy goes in, we're on. So he's weak. That guy's strong. Really hope this TF doesn't just... Oh, no, it's sweet. You know. This guy doesn't really have much damage, though. A little concerning. But having a 2-star Aatrox is nice. Oh, no, Urgot's pumping it. Allegedly. Yeah, this Aatrox is so huge for us right now. Come on. Ah. Yeah, I mean, damage-wise, everything was kind of the same. Anyway, such is the nature of these things. A Fate Weaver, this guy. We are on the bottom dwellers still. Oh god, look at this guy. He's good at the game. Wait, is it this? Oh, I didn't even remember the guy's name. The boar? I'm thinking about this. Cool, we tuned to someone good, so if this is stronger, we will see. I don't think it's gonna matter, because this Ornn is just ridiculous. But we are, like, where we need to be. Yeah, we're just taking the max damage at the moment. Okay. But I bet whether it just... Someone... There's a couple at 30. So let's see. What? 40, 30... 40... Yeah. So I am very wealthy. Cool, we can't lose to the crabs, so that's good news. Oh, I get 2 anvils? Great. Now I can hopefully make some belts. Get this Lulu online. Damn, no belt. That's not good. Lulu 2, that's very good. Maokai as well. Get this guy out of here. I've got TF1, that's all we need. My god, we didn't get any bouts. Bro, that is such a low roll. Never mind, we can just put this out there, I guess. Why not? Good luck, Jax. And then we can... Next turn... We can go for Bastion Nova or Fate Weaver Timebreaker. I think we go Fate Weaver Timebreaker. We couldn't have low rolled harder on that. What's it called? Alright, new Bottom Dweller. We'll love to see it. So we're slow rolling 6 or we're slow rolling 7? I think we're slow rolling 7. Wait, do I have 2 chests there now? Yeah. Restart mission? We're not doing that. Climb the ladder? We're not doing that. This one? Enemies in the first 2 rows lose armor magic resist. Every 4 attacks an ally takes, they deal damage. When you reach level 9, gave him 30. Okay, we might not get there. Electro charge it is. We are level 6. We can get some level 2s just so we can like stay alive for a little while, which wouldn't be the worst thing. Excellent. We got something out of it, so we cannot complain. So what is this? The Boar. Gain gold on win. Allies and empowered hexes gain health, attack damage, and ability powers. Stargazers get more. Sounds great to me. So... Drunk Sig. Wait, this guy had a good start. Let's see how he's getting on here. Okay, he's got 50 gold and he's level 6. Oh, this guy's a science guy. That guy's got no money. Okay. Unorthodox Sup's got that thing he's unlocking heaps. Yeah, he's might be a young problem actually, down the track. Going 7 here for Bastion Nova is probably a good idea. I've just thought about. But we can roll because we are low. What is 22% strength? I don't even know what that is. This guy's level 7. Is that 2 karmas? Bruh. Well, that ruined our little streak. Not having belts is killing me. After 4 rounds, gain 2/5. The next time you select a god, Pingu's gift. Man, that just seems like some crap. This is not anything that we want. Again. Win belt, bro. This is going like terribly. Ah, that what it meant. There isn't anything to roll for here other than a Emilio. I kind of just want to level. And not for Rust. Damn, that hundo guy just like ruined my flow. But, you know, hopefully it's not all over, but my not having any of these Lulu items is griefing me so hard. Alright, Pantheon 2 with a like decent like fight back. Come on. Oh, if we could just get the ult off, we could have killed those two. I need my flippin' belts. Like, the game's actually, like, turning into a low roll. Okay, now I can put this geezer out. Much better. This is a cool clump, though. Wow. These guys are here for no reason, but no point selling them just yet. Wait, I need Maokai too. Holy fuck, I thought that was a Diana. I thought you'd just give me a heart attack. Gonna be disappointed if I can't beat this guy. So what happens? Treasure hunt, gain a locked chest. So I gotta spend 16 on shop. Yeah, so yeah, now I'm level 7. I can just roll, start opening these chests. Hopefully start getting some belts. What happened? Smoked them? Nicely done, bro. Oh my, what is this shot? Where was all that before? Anyway. Pull a couple of these out. Bro. Okay, we can start rolling and we can start hitting. Oh. Yay, we got a belt. Oh my god. Rush 2. We're not even going to be able to play him. This is excellent. This is excellent. I really want a belt. Excellent. Okay. Now, we can... I think we just go with the... We're locking the jacks, because that's just huge for us. Sell that. And we are rolling. We are rolling. Boom, 1 chest done. Money. Item. Rod. Perfect. And we just keep on rolling. We just keep on looking for what we want. Ras, get out of here. Pantheon, we love it. Maokai, perfect. Boom. Milio. Boom. Lulu. Okay. With any luck, we might be able to salvage this. Prage. This Orn is unkillable. Okay. Holy. Okay. Okay. Gain 2 random completed items that build from Rod. I mean, that's good for us. I'm down with that. Oh, man. That build from Sword? Nah, we need the one from Rods. Go. Ah, we just got one of those. Okay. I think Pants Crab might be our guy. For now. If we get 2-star milk, I'm down. And we're just going to work on opening these chests. Ooh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Voyager. We don't need Voyager. Drunk Sig. Oh man, those drinks is ripping. What is that? Come on, Lulu. I need you to rain. Video. Punch grab. Oh, Lulu Jacks. Alright, we're gonna keep one, but we will sell this. Alright, we're catching up on our chest, so we're doing good. I don't know about literature. I don't even know about the staff smith, to be honest, but it probably is good just for Lonic. And I'm thinking, sorry, we need Morello. Dang it, I just spat on my little popcorn bit on my keyboard. Got it. Yeah. I say yuck like I'm not just going to eat it anyway. I'd gaff. I'd gaff. Okay. How am I going to hit these flipping 3 stars from like way off? Gain a 5 cost and a 4 cost that shares the same trait. In 5 rounds, gain a completed amble. Yeah, give me that. Wait, I get to double these, don't I? Bout is huge right now. Wait, how many seconds? 18 seconds. What can I get here? I can get Brawler, I can get Marauder, I can get Challenger. Alright, they're all crap. So is it doubling me the minion right now? Or was it just that one time? Just that one time by the looks. Okay, you get Morello for now. I'm hoping we get another one of these. And then we can just big team it. We don't need TF. What's this? Okay, I don't know what we're doing. Getting me distracted, boys. Leave me be. Come on, Lulu. Oh. This Jinx is so... Every 4 crit strikes, 5 piercing. Okay. Whatever it may be. Oh. Oh, one more Pantheon is huge. Wait, do I need more Maokai's? What is it, man? Who cares? Dork? Oh, give me this. Oh! What was all this money? Oh, was that the treasure chest? Sick. And now we got another treasure chest coming. Let me roll. Oh, Lulu. Huge. Really need pants grab. Jax. Kindred. Oh, he's got Fiora somehow. High roller. Oh, I should save the rerolling for I gotta save it for when I get a treasure chest. Bloody hell. Yeah, I'm down for that. An anomaly? Okay. Well, I have to get the Lulu. Milio. You have to wait. Please, Milio, F off. Just for now. Okay, here we go. Now you can come back, Milio. Wait, I need to wait for that thing as well. Wait, I've got the chest now. Alright. We're all close. Anomaly, gain 1100 health. Cast a every 50 mana spent, though 2 Hex Fireball that deals them wounds and whatever else. Holy moly, what was that? Oh, this pen thing. Let's go, Pan's grab. Yeah, y'all see this? Y'all see this? Let me hit. What is this now? Reduce the holder's max mana by 10. Subsequent spellcast. Reduce max mana by 10% to a minimum of 10. That seems kind of crazy, no? Yeah, and give this guy this. Just the perma burner. Ah, I was just one moment too slow. I don't know, I'm gonna put the pan there for no reason. But yeah, we're going to be able to get onto Rast very soon. I just need this Lulu. Look at this Lulu. Yeah. The Lulu's. Oh, let's go. Alright, we're gaming. We're really gaming now. Oh, and then we got Hey, what up, Brentha? How's it going? Sorry, I only just saw your message. First time chatter. It's going all good. I'm on my 8th game. So you can see the scores at the top. How are you going today? Thanks for pulling up, saying hello. What do we want? Rabadons, Giant Slayer. Oh, I was too slow. Whoa, look at this Rammus. Can we get Giant Slayer on this Milio? Somehow I've got to get it to level 3-star. But yeah, going great there, Brentha. Sorry if I missed you. Let me spam some emotes. Do you play TFT? Oh, what we lost? Unorthodox sup. So this guy really did crack the anima. It would appear. Or am I just like not got my units out here in the right way? Striker's Flail? No, we got Giant Slayer, so maybe I should have gone for a TG. Anyways. Let's just put... oh, wait. If all these people are doing that lame-o thing, right? Maybe if I go like this. Make you the anomaly. Give this guy this thing. And give him a crown guard. Maybe that will help? I can get to 8 next turn and then I gotta find me a Rast. But... yeah, really keen to lock in a top 4 here, so I just need to live a couple more rounds and then we can secure that, and then anything we can get higher than that is just going to be a bonus. Oh, we're doing good damage on that. Bro, this Lulu is ripping with that Dawncore. It took a lot of bit of effort to get this comp online. Oh, we top forward, let's go. But we got it online, so... you know, we are taking the dub on that. So we're going to get our Rast up next. The layout of this is pretty unfortunate, to be fair. Wait, if I put these 3 back like this, maybe? Oh, wait. I want to be on this other side, I think. He's got his stuff in this top left corner. I don't know if me moving away from there helps. Ah, these lampposts, dog. Okay, make it rain, Lulu. Let's see this mana come down. 37. And then it's going to be 34. And then it's going to be 31. Then it's going to be 28. 26. Bro. Dawncore's beast. Bro, I'm like pretty good at math because I got all that right. Rascalot. Get in there, bro. Another body. Another body for the fodder. Bang, bang. Who's Jax? Oh, we got Nah 3. Oh, he's playing the meat thing. Oh, wait. This guy's Comp's beast. Oh, man. Unorthodox soup? I'm down to go... you know, I'll go... I'm down to go too. If you win. Honestly. Yeah, 3-star Milio would be insane. I don't think we're going to get that. Oh, I don't get another treasure chest? Okay. Well, the treasure chests were awesome, so I'm glad for all the treasure chests we actually got. Wait, magic? No. Magic? Sort of. Magic? No. Okay, we want something like a... let's get some damage. Go ahead, Milio. 2-star Milio. Yeah, chance of getting 3-star Milio is like exceptionally low, so we're gonna give up on that dream. But I mean, love the perfect synergy of this comp, right? It's so insane. Jax did good. I mean, this is the guy to beat, I think. Oh, wait a minute. Lulu? Lulu. Okay. Well, I'm thinking a little differently now. Yeah, no point rolling, so I guess we just go 9 for a good unit. Damn, we're all close. So, this guy... Oh, on 3. Beastie on 3. We do have Giant Slayer. He's got Samira. I don't think there's any crazy CC I need to be managing, so... Let's just let him rip. Let's see what we end up with. I think we got this guy. Yeah, I had a... My elo got real high, so I was in a emerald lobby last game, went 8th. And then now I'm in a gold lobby, and we're recovering from that ridiculous defeat. Like, we got absolutely destroyed. I think I had a decent strategy. It's just, yeah, you gotta be so fast when you're in those other lobbies. Wait, top 2? Oh, these guys are late. Okay, this is great. Good pickup. What is gonna be better? Oh, wait. I need someone that can do magic damage that's a beast. Obviously, Nami's a beast. I don't know if these items are exactly what Nami's looking for. Nunu, Willamp, Zaya. No. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Timebreaker? No. I mean, Nami's probably like... If I can Nami too, that'll be like worth, I think. Oh, I've got to move this guy around. Oh, wait. The lamppost dodge? Lulu's like too smart. Wow, Victor 3. I actually haven't seen anyone play that. I've got respect for this guy because at least he's playing something different. Nice dude. He deserved to win, to be fair. Does this guy lose to me? Hey, double KO. Top 1, let's go. Woo! Awesome. We get some LP. 75. Blah. Hey, I wonder if I can join his party. I can, probably, but... Thin disk. No. So we did it. 4 games. 330. Oh, 8 games, sorry. 330. Oh, wait, stop recording.